Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Collector Gloria. I had a great holiday. How about my subscribers? Today I'm going to do an unboxing and then I will give the detail of this bag. This is the exotic mixed leather dreamer. It made from the smooth leather with genuine snake details. And it has a gold tone metal signature charm with the snake skin. Also, you can see the snake skin around the zip line. And front, back. There are side snap pockets with the magnet pop buttons. It's a white color, but handle is the gray. The color combination is so excellent. There are inside zip and multifunction pockets. And detachable leather for shoulder or crossbody strap. You know, I don't have a white bag, so I bought this bag. It's perfect for everything from evenings out. Thank you for waiting and watching my video. Next week, I will show what fits video. See you in next video. Thank you.